Accused TMC of instructing shopkeepers to not sell any items to certain BJP leaders in West Midnapur of Bengal. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has hit out at Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and called the incident shocking. In a tweet, she urged Bengal Chief Minister to ensure that all the citizens of the state are protected and not denied the basics. Trinamool Congress denied the allegations and claimed that the action was planned by the BJP. The decree was allegedly issued in the name of 18 BJP leaders in MP Dev Deepak Adhikari's village Mahishda in West Midnapur. So that's the latest coming in. Nirmala hitting out at TMC over the decree, and our bureau chief will be joining us in just about a bit for the latest that is coming in. This is coming in, of course, after BJP accused the TMC of instructing shopkeepers to not sell any items to certain BJP leaders in West Midnapur. This is in Bengal. Union Finance Minister has hit out at Bengal Chief Minister, called the incident shocking. She urged Bengal Chief Minister to ensure that all citizens of state are protected and not denied the basics. Suryagini is now joining us live. Suryagini, why would the TMC try to deny the basic necessities like that? What is their explanation?
Well, Chaiti, as of yet, this particular document has been viral on the internet, but, it claims that it's from Mahishda in West Midnapur, and what the content of that particular notification is that 18 individuals who are associated with the BJP in that particular, area, rather a village in West Midnapur, they are being boycotted, and no one should, should sell them anything or, get in touch with them. Now, if we just look at the contents of the notification that has been tweeted by Nirmala Sitharaman, and she has tagged the Chief Minister of the state, Mamata Banerjee, and asked for an independent inquiry in this completely and to take action against those who have done it. Now, if you just look at the contents of the letter, although it writes that the header is of Mahishda Sarva Bharatiya Trinamool Congress, it does not have any official stamp or signature by anyone. The Trinamool over here, this is what they claim, that it is something that is fake and it's doing the rounds just to, foul-mouth Trinamool's name. The BJP claims that this is happening, and in this entire episode, the finance minister has tweeted out that particular notification, which has gone viral over here in West Bengal, and she has also asked the Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, to take action in this particular incident. Back to you, Chaiti.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks so much, Suryagini, for joining us with the very latest details on the story.